This tutorial is brought to you by webdevelopmenttutorials.com, and it covers how to insert an image into a web page. This is the web page, and it is a blank web page, and we're going to be inserting the image into it. Okay, first of all, we need the image tag. The image tag is a self-enclosing tag, and the actual image tag is img. Now, before anything else, to make this web page XHTML compliant, we're going to insert a / and a blank space before the closing bracket. Now, to include an image into a web page, we also need the source attribute. Okay, the source attribute is src, and the value is the name of the file or the name of the image which you want to include in the web page. In this case, the name of my image is image.jpg. This is the image that I'm working with. Some more code that goes into the image tag is the width attribute, and the height attribute. At the moment, I'm going to leave them blank. The reason is so that you can see again that the image as is 80 pixels wide and 80 pixels high. I add 80 pixels to both the height and the width. I save it, and there should be no changes, and there are no changes. However, I'm going to change the width to double what it was. I'm going to change it to 160, and notice the changes in the width dimension. However, the height stays the same. Again, that is because I've changed the width of the image. However, the height I left as is, so I'm going to change them both back to 80 width and 80 height, and notice once again that the image goes back to what it was before. Some more code that you need inside the image tag is the alt attribute, which is alt. Now, the alt attribute does not actually affect how the image is displayed on the web page. However, it is necessary for the actual tag to be XHTML compliant, which is important if you want the web page to be XHTML compliant. And you'll notice that again, it does not affect how the image is displayed. However, if for whatever reason the image does not display, the text that is set as the value for the alt attribute will display where the image should be. Notice some text, and again notice some text. I put the file back as it should be. I save it, and notice the image is back where it was, and the alt attribute again does not come into play because the image is displaying as it should be. To support this tutorial and more, please subscribe to my channel, and also visit my website, webdevelopmenttutorials.com.